Hey everyone, if you're looking for a better way to manage classes, assignments, lecture notes, and study materials, Microsoft OneNote can make school life much more organized. Instead of keeping everything in separate notebooks or folders, you can store all of your class information in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Microsoft OneNote for school step by step. So let's get started. Start by creating a notebook dedicated to school. Then create separate sections for each subject, such as math, science, English, or history. This keeps your coursework neatly organized from the beginning. Inside each subject section, create a new page for every class, lecture, or chapter. Give each page a descriptive title so you can quickly find it later when studying. During class, type your notes directly into the page. You can use headings, bullet lists, numbered lists, and highlighted text to make important information easier to review later. OneNote lets you insert pictures, PDFs, web links, tables, and even audio recordings. Yeah, keeping lecture slides, homework instructions, and reference materials together with your notes makes studying a lot easier. Use tags to mark important ideas, questions, or homework assignments. So, create checklists for upcoming tasks so you can easily track what you've completed and what still needs your attention. Since OneNote syncs through OneDrive, your school notes are available on your computer, tablet, and smartphone. I mean, you can review your lessons whenever you have free time, whether you're at home, in class, or on the go. And that's how to use Microsoft OneNote for school. With organized notebooks, searchable notes, and automatic syncing, studying becomes much easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.